Welcome to the Tailgater assembly video. In your box, you should have the written instructions, the assembly hardware, the rear frame, the main frame, and the upper frame with bicycle cradles already attached to it. Again, make sure your box includes the main frame, the upper frame with cradles, and the rear frame. Let's go ahead and take out the written instructions and the assembly hardware. Your assembly hardware includes 4 D-rings, an assembly wrench, and 4 carriage bolt assemblies. Each carriage bolt assembly has a large washer, a small washer, and a locking nut. The main frame is already partially assembled with a vertical bar and a horizontal bar. The horizontal bar has the adjusting holes for the rear frame. We'll talk about those later. Note on the vertical bar that there are 2 sets of holes. The lower hole, which is round, the upper hole, which is square. That's where the carriage bolt will be inserted. Take the upper frame and line up the 2 holes on the vertical member. Insert the carriage bolt into the top hole, the square one, partially. Put the large flat washer over the carriage bolt. Line up the hole with the upper frame and cradles and push the carriage bolt through. Rotate the carriage bolt so that it sits all the way flush to the tube. Put one of the small washers on the carriage bolt, and finally put the locking nut on. Repeat this procedure for the other side as well. So again, there should be the carriage bolt, the large washer, the small washer, and the locking nut. Go ahead and use the wrench supplied with your bike rack and tighten it up snugly. It should be free to rotate. We'll now go ahead and attach the rear bar to the frame. It's important to note when attaching the rear frame to the main frame that the square tube is pointing towards the back of the frame. This would be towards the inside of your truck. Select the properly sized hole and insert the D-pin through both the rear frame and the main frame. Repeat this for the other side. Finally, when you're ready to use your carrier, insert a D-ring on each side between the upper arm and main frame. When you want to fold up your rack, simply remove the D-ring from the upper arm and the main frame. Go ahead and replace that, and there you have it.